Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz, and in today's video we're going to go back to the basics and talk about signing into Google and maybe using multiple Google accounts in one Google Chrome browser. So maybe you are a teacher and you have your work account and your school account and you want to have both of them available. Or maybe you're a parent at home working with your student and you have your own Google account signed into Google Chrome, but you need to sign your student in so they have access to their Google account through their school. So we're going to learn about that in today's video. So stay tuned. Meet me over on Google Chrome. So here we are over in Google Chrome, and we're going to talk about signing into your Google account. Now, if you already have a Google account and you're signed in, it's going to show it right up here in the top right corner. So looking at where my arrow is, if you're not signed in at all, you're going to see a blue button that says sign in. So press that button and it's going to ask you to sign in if you're not already. If you are, it's going to show your account. So again, say you're a teacher and you want your school account up here, but you also want your personal account. Or maybe you're a parent of a student and you have your own account, but we need to add your student's account. So let's look at this. I'm going to click add another account. If I don't already have any signed in, I can just simply sign in. So I'm going to hit add another account to add another account. Now it may try to guess your username. If it doesn't give you a chance to type, you're just going to simply click the account that's already there and click use another account. So I'm going to type in my other account. Hit next. And then it's going to want your password. So go ahead and type in your password. And then you simply just sign in. And if you have two-step verification turned on, it's going to make you go to your phone or mobile device in order to verify that account. So I'm verifying mine now. And you'll see my two-step verification going through. And you don't have to switch to it. So now you see my other account. And I know because it's a different picture in my case. So now I can see both accounts. Now if I want to go back to my original one, I can simply just click it. And if I want to go to the other one again, I can click it. Okay, so this is perfect for toggling back and forth when you need to use two different accounts, especially when you're trying to do work from home and you have a personal account and you need someone else to sign in, maybe a family member. This is especially helpful for families when you're at home with younger students who need to access Google Classroom and those types of applications, ClassLink, Canvas, those types of things that they need access to on their school account. So hopefully this has been helpful. So again, go to a google.com screen, go up to the top right. If you're already signed in, use the circle button, add another account if needed, or if you're not signed in at all, there will be a blue button here that says sign. Well, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you learned something that will make your life a little more efficient in accessing technology for yourself, for your student, what have you. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below so you're able to find my videos when I update for your tech needs. And I hope you have a great day. Be blessed, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.